Hello, everyone, and welcome back to KitchenIt. Today, we are joining you from the comfort of our own backyard. Today, we are going to be making an egg and pomegranate salad. This is a nice, refreshing salad for the summer, and also if you're having a few guests over and you don't want something that is too complicated but looks good on a plate as well. And without further ado, let's kitchen it. Okay, so now we are going to be making the salad, and what I have here is just a compilation of what can contain in a salad, and this is basically a salad in itself. If you have a bunch of group of people, you can actually just serve this to them and have each person build their own salad. But obviously, you're just gonna need to add the ingredients according to the people you have. So what we have here is on the side we have red pepper. This is red onions, and here they just cherry tomatoes that I chopped into these shapes, into halves. The onions are cut into semicircles, and then the red pepper I also cut it into julienne. Then we have the yellow pepper, also I cut it into julienne. Then here we have some pomegranates. Just have some pomegranates that I removed from the shell. Boiled eggs. I like my eggs hard boiled, but you can boil it to any temperature you want. And then we just have simple lettuce. This is slowly becoming one of my favorite ingredients to use in the kitchen. It just tastes amazing. So I'm gonna drizzle this. is complete. And these are the things that you can pair up your salad. You can pair it up with the fish balls. Check out our video on the fish balls if you haven't. Then with the fish bowl you can pair it up with bread or chips or potato wedges or whatever you want to use, and there you go, you have a beautiful meal.